so freaking hot. It's like 40 degrees Celsius, which is probably over 100 Fahrenheit. I couldn't even change my clothes, so I'm doing this video with a full face of makeup and just looking gross overall. But this is not about me, this is about my bedroom. So welcome to my bedroom. We have a new camera, we have a new tattoo, we have a new piercing, but mostly we have a new bedroom. It feels like it's been forever since I've done a video because there's so many different things, and I've been slacking with my YouTube channel as usual. Your girl has been busy, that's all I can say. My bedroom was by far the most neglected room in my entire house. I don't own this house, this is a rented apartment, and my bedroom was in serious need of renovation. Like, there was cracks on the wall, there's rotten wood near the windows. This is a very old building and apartment. We're talking about hundreds of years old, and it's been renovated. Of course, I've only been living here for 6 years, I believe. There are some stuff that I've been neglecting because I don't feel like it's my job to make these renovations. It should be my landlord, but at the same time, we know landlords, that's not gonna happen. I'm the one living here, even though probably I'm gonna be kicked out sooner or later. But while I'm living here, I really want to live in a nice place. It's still not perfect, and I really didn't want to film this video just yet because I don't feel like my room is ready. But I also don't think that's gonna happen anytime soon because I always want to change and improve stuff. But yeah, I hope you enjoy it. I'm proud of what I've achieved in such a small space. I think it looks cute and it looks a lot more like home now and feels a lot cozier. And I bought 99% of this stuff in known Gothic stores, so it is just an example that you can literally buy anything anywhere and make it your style. I didn't have to buy on Killstar. Who knew Killstar didn't invent goth decor? Anyway, yeah, enjoy. Let's start with some before and after pictures. So this was my bedroom before the lockdown, and yeah, it looks pretty bad. I can't believe it's only been a few months. There's cracks on the walls. I had to fix all that by myself, and the first thing that I bought was a bed. I had an IKEA bed that I hated before, and I also painted my bedroom a light gray shade. I couldn't go very dark because my bedroom is pretty small. So yeah, that was a whole lot of work, but let's take a peek at the almost finished result. So when I open my bedroom door, I have this hallway, and this is where I have my closet, and that's pretty much it. This is a very small kind of room. This is not even a room, but yeah, I have this big closet that is all mirrors, and this is where I take my outfit shots sometimes for Instagram. I'm trying to avoid my reflection because, as I mentioned, I am naked, and because it's so hot this day. Oh my god. I have another room where I store more clothes because I don't have a lot of space in my bedroom. When we enter, first thing you'll see is the bed because it's huge. It's a beast, probably too big for this room, but anyway, we'll talk about her later. So let's focus on this dresser here on the right. I really like it. It's so cute. I bought it on sale, and it was actually hideous. It was like pink and green and all these wacky shades. I just painted simple black, and on top I have some makeup, and I bought this pencil holder on Aliexpress, and on the left is just a brush case from NYX. And of course I have a little plant friend here because I've been obsessed with plants. This is a bone that I found on a beach in Azores, and I think this is the connecting bone from the hoof to the leg of the animal, probably a sheep or a cow. If we look to the other side, we have the Vanity. This was the first piece that I ever bought for my bedroom, so I've had it for a while, and it was brown and gold painted as well. On the left, there is a little detail. I bought that switch cover on Aliexpress. Such a tiny detail, but I think it makes a huge difference. Then we have this crystal little thing that I think you're supposed to store candy. I bought it from IKEA, but I use it to store my lashes. Then I have a skull vase, which I also got from Aliexpress, and I use it to store my makeup brushes. And yeah, this vanity is pretty much only for storing my makeup. I don't do any makeup in here. I don't even have a seat, as you can see, because I like to do my makeup standing up, and I don't really like the lighting here to do my makeup. I also have this coffin from Sourpuss. I don't really know what to do with it. Honestly, it's a waste of money because it's so small. There's not much you can put in there, so it's kind of just here on the side. These light flowers I got on Primark. Not too sure how much they cost, but I'm pretty sure they were cheap because it's Primark. If you look up, there's this kind of a window, which is weird because it's not going anywhere outside. It's going to another room. I just put some candle holder, which I got from AliExpress, and some candles and a little plant pal. Now for the bed. The bed I got from Belliani, and for what it is, I didn't think it was that expensive. The duvet cover is from Amazon, and the little heart pillow I got from Primark. The bed is made of black velvet, and my cat absolutely loves to go on top of it and just watch us sleep because she's a creeper. Above the bed we have a shelf that I got from IKEA, and we have some more plant pals and some LED candles that come with a remote control. And I was supposed to show you how beautiful this looks when there's no natural light, but the batteries are running out and I only noticed it too late, so it's an epic fail. I promise you it looks beautiful when it's working properly, so maybe in another video I'll be able to show you. The window part is the roughest bit that I still need to work on. As you can see, I don't even have any curtains. I'm not even sure if I want them. But yeah, again, it will be most likely another renovation project coming soon. And on the right, on the corner of the room, we have a pretty big mirror that is also very cool for outfit shots. And I got some little sticker butterflies to put in there. I just thought it would look cute. I actually hate wall stickers, but yeah. Final thing is the chandelier that I only got up today, and that's it. Here's some photos of the overall finished bedroom, and I hope you like it. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye.